Hey Ninjas, Ninja Bob here, coming to you from the Ninja headquarters in beautiful Fort Collins, Colorado. I wanted to go back and revisit your days in your Ninja installation. Have you remembered to go back and review all of the tools that you were given and that you learned and that you invested so much time and hard work in getting used to using in your 4-day Ninja installation? What were some of the tools that we talked about? Remember things like your Ford questions, your real estate reviews? How about your 5 magic questions? Remember all of the great ideas that you put on your green sheet, your time savers, your start doing items, your ahas, your action items, all of those things. When was the last time that you went back to those things and really took a deep dive into that and said to yourself, oh, I meant to implement this into my business and I just haven't done it yet? I would encourage you to go back to your Ninja installation manual, pull out your green sheet, and review some of those things. I'll bet you there's a lot of things in there that you could highly use in your business, especially now as the market is changing and you have more time to invest things into your business. That's your Ninja action tip for this week. Remember, the system works if you work the system. I'll see you somewhere along the Ninja path.